For me, love has always been about being at home, feeling of comfort. Whenever I'm with Akhil, I feel at home. We met 2 years back and it was not planned. A common friend of ours wanted to set up us because she thought we would make like a perfect pair, which we both didn't.
I'm from Bihar, so she had this apprehension about I'm from Bombay, and then I don't know how you will be.
So we spoke or we chatted over the phone and through internet, and then finally we had our first date.
When I met her for the first time, I really liked her. I realized within a week that our interests are common. हम लोगों को एक तरह का खाना पसंद है, एक तरह के हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशंस पसंद हैं, एक तरह की मूवीज भी पसंद है. तो मैंने बोला कि देखो, I am not interested in dating for long. If you are also interested in getting something serious out of this, then let's go ahead.
I never thought कि हम लोग शादी तक पहुंच जाएंगे. I thought we are just casually dating and we'll see how it goes, and I was never into marriage and all that. He's been convincing me for the past 2 years, and finally I gave in because I didn't want to lose him. I just didn't want to let go of him. If there is one word that describes me is I'm a khwabida. I love to dream.
I'm a very focused person. If I set a goal, I have a plan how to achieve that goal, and then once I achieve, I set a certain goal.
I am a little bit of a control freak as well. I like things very systematic.
At home, I am not as organized as her, so sometimes she gets annoyed with that.
But all in all, I think I'm a good person.
It has been working out. अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है.
First of all, his genuineness, his honesty, and his kindness. These three things are very important to me.
One of the things which I liked about her is she plans a little small stuff as well. She's such a caring person, and then in a very genuine way. So I liked that about her.
He comes from a small town and he's very open about it, and he embraces his upbringing and his roots. That is what is very, very important to me. And the cherry on the cake is his dimples. It gained him plus 100.
She cooks great Bengali food, which is like another plus for me at least.
Oh God, that's like a wide subject.
Jab Harry met Sejal.
No.
But you like,
No.
That's your favorite
No.
song.
The song is favorite,
Okay.
not the movie. Any Govinda movie.
Yes, he was right. White?
Blue.
Yeah, she's right.
He can live in his pajamas and t-shirts.
Yes, she's right. She likes to dress up, mostly in Western clothes, but she can equally carry sari as well as Indian attire. And she likes jewelry a lot. You can give her entire store and she'll still be able to wear it in a month.
He likes his holidays relaxed, not too rushed up.
Yeah, she's right. She also likes it relaxed. But it's when I say relaxed, for me, Goa can also be relaxed, but for her, Prague is a relaxed place. So
Like luxury holidays.
Yeah, she likes luxury holidays.
For me, jewelry is an extension of myself. So that is what I plan to get for myself, something that I can pass on for generations, and the emotions that I'll have on my wedding day while wearing them, I hope to pass it to my next generation with equal love.
You cannot think of jewelry as an investment only. It's a piece of jewelry which she is going to wear, and every time she looks at our wedding photos or videos, she's going to remember that how that was.
Shenko gold and diamonds means intricately crafted and precious to me.
Her mother suggested, like, why don't you guys go to Senko and all? And we came here, and every piece of jewelry now we have bought is from Senko.
For every girl, her mother is probably the inspiration. And I've seen some pieces of jewelry with her which I've also wanted for myself, but with a bit of modernization to it. Bengalis wear something like a noa, and finding a beautiful piece of noa which you can wear every day, which is very important to a Bengali girl, is very difficult to find, but I have uniquely found that in Shenko.
When I came here, I saw a very good collection in platinum. So I would say like platinum ring and probably a platinum chain will be my thing to buy from here, which I have already bought.
There are some chokers that I've been eyeing and I would love to have it. Everything that I've seen here is unique and beautiful in its own way.
I felt like I'm coming to a family store where like I can buy whatever I want and then I can trust on them. All the staff, they treated us so warmly. They took out their time, they explained us, okay, what is this jewelry, how it will look. We wanted some customization, they were ready to do that as well.